Hello everyone, welcome to my channel PCTech. Today I will show you the best way to upgrade to Windows 11. With tools from Microsoft, you can upgrade to Windows 11 quickly and keep your own data. But the one point to note, this tool only supports to upgrade to Windows 11 in case your hardware system line up with own requirement from Microsoft for Windows 11. Okay, let's go. First of all, you go to search and type PCTech. Enter. This screen helps you check your hardware system and compare with requirements from Microsoft. In this window, you click Check Now, and you can see my PC meets Windows 11 requirement. Now I can use tool from Microsoft to upgrade to Windows 11 quickly. Okay, font is green. Turn up. You go to link I put in description below. In this page, you click Download Now in Windows 11 Installation Assistant. After download, you open and double click to run. Yes. Accept and install. It will take some minutes to download data setup. System tool finish download the data from system. Now we click Restart Now to go next step. Windows 11 installation assistance will reboot your device to complete the install. We click Close. Now I'm working on updates. Okay, we already finished upgrade to Windows 11. Easy to do it. Now this might take a few minutes to complete the setup. Okay, well done. Now you are in Windows 11 with the old data still kept from Windows 10. Nothing changed on the operation system change. Okay, I already showed you how to upgrade to Windows 11 quickly with the Microsoft Assistant tool. If you see my video and this support useful for you, please like video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.